Now, because we are now populating all the items using the new method called getOrderItems, which if we have a look at our order class and getOrderItems, you can see that it's populating the name of the product, plus it's calculating the total price straight away inside of the SQL statement. That's why obviously we can remove this whole line here and simply echo rather than product name. Now what we're going to do is use the item through which we are currently iterating item name, and then here rather than using a basket object, again let's just remove all this. It's going to be number format, but it's going to be price underscore total and 2 decimal places. As you can see, it's a little bit cleaner now. So that's obviously iteration through all of the items in the order. Now let's have a look at the summary section. And if we remove this if VAT rate does not equal 0 here, this all condition, let's remove the indent for subtotal and VAT, because all these 3 lines including total will be here. But let's now copy the subtotal and paste it twice above. The first one we're going to rename to items total, and it simply will display order subtotal underscore items, again 2 decimal places, number format function. The second one will be shipping, then space after the colon, and echo order shipping type, semicolon and closing PHP tag, and we populating the shipping cost from the order array. One last thing we need to do before we finish this video. After the closing PHP tag there, before the items total, let's create the tBody tag with the class summary section. And then let's wrap all these summary items within this tag. So if we select everything down to the total, and if we indent it, now close the tBody tag, save the file, and if we preview it in the browser, here's our order. If we click on the invoice button, it opens the page. You can see obviously the addresses are not showing because again we don't have these values in the table, but we have items total, again null and null for shipping, because obviously these weren't part of the whole structure of the system when this order has been placed.